everybody, I'm TyTianna Unique. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cutting off the rest of my hair. You guys remember I uploaded a video back in the end of July, early August. I big chopped my hair. I did a pixie cut hairstyle and I had a perm or relaxer. And yeah, I'm not really feeling that anymore. Honestly, the pixie cut hairstyle is a lot to maintain. The upkeep is more than what I expected or what I heard it would be. Like, when they say you really have to go to the shop every week, you really do. But I only went that one time when I first got it cut off. I don't know, or I'm not too familiar with any stylists in my area that I live in, so you know, me traveling back and forth to Chicago every week, baby bye. No, it's time to go. So I'm gonna let y'all see it. Please don't talk about me. This is a pixie cut style, so just keep that in mind because I look hideous. Okay, this is how my hair looks now. I have a lot of new growth. I permed it again. Oh, that's what I forgot to mention. I've been doing my own hair and it has been coming out right and stuff like that. But I'm just tired of, well, I don't want to perm it anymore and I'm ready for curls again. I'm ready for my next hairstyle. Like if you know me, I always did my hair at least once a month. I always kept something new in my hair, so me wearing this over and over and over again, it's getting repetitive. I like it. I still love my short hairstyle, but I'm just ready for something new now. I thought I could last a little bit longer, but no. Plus the perm is like getting really hard to comb through, so and I dye my hair, so my hair is just like really messed up right now. So with that being said, I'm about to big chop my hair yet again. And this will probably be like, well, this will be the official big chop because it's gonna be low. And then y'all gonna see curls popping, okay? Yeah, so I originally set the date for January 1st to do this, but like I said, I'm really tired of it right now and it's really hard to comb, like, and it's falling out. I don't know if y'all just saw that, but yeah, it's falling out. So anyway, this is freshly washed hair. I just got out the shower. I mixed together Cream of Nature shampoo, it's just the Moisture and Shine shampoo. I thought it was like a different brand, but no. Well, not brand, but different, you feel me? And then this is the Garnier Whole Blends Nourishing Shampoo. I just mixed those two together. I typically only use Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner, but I needed that restoration, you feel me? And then I use As I Am Long and Luxe Pomegranate and Passion Fruit Conditioner. Typically, like I just said, I only use Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner, but I'm at my mom's house right now, so that's what I used. So now I am going to use my leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature, and you just want to make sure your hair is like really damp, moisturized. Okay, so I can feel like a lot of, well, I can feel my new growth, the unpermed hair. And I'm not gonna cut too small. And I've learned when you cut hair, you can't think about it. You just gotta do it like that. I'm about to be so mad at myself in the morning. I'm about to wake up and be like, TyTianna, what the hell did you do? But it needed to go. So I took the clippers and made it even as well, but the camera was not recording. I don't know what happened. I'm just about to give myself a lining really quickly. And yeah, this is how I'm looking, y'all. Like I said, I didn't want to go bald. I didn't want to shave my hair like completely off. I do want to add some color eventually, but I think I'm gonna wait till like around my birthday in March when it's like a little bit longer. So yeah. Okay, everybody, so as you can see, I was doing fine. I had my lines on each side, and then I brung it up a little bit, and it was fine. But then I got clipper happy because that came out fine, and I tried to give myself, you know, 2 little designs, 2 like lines going through the back. And I went up too much and I messed it up, so I'm just walking around bogus now. But you know, it's hair, so it'll grow back in like 2 weeks, hopefully the right way. But yeah, so why did I everything was fine. I knew something was gonna happen. Oh my god, that just blew me. I'm not so shave the rest of that off now. That definitely just blew me. I should just let a professional freaking give me my 2 lines that I wanted. But I just always have to do things myself. I'm about to scream. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more leave-in conditioner in my hair. Make sure it is saturated. I want to oil my scalp. Jesus. And I have vitamin E oil, carrot oil, and peppermint oil. Peppermint oil helps fight dry, flaky scalp. And I'm kind of recovering from that because of my perm. I really had a lot of bad dandruff. And then it cools and refreshes, leaving hair shiny, soft. Carrot oil and aloe vera oil rehydrates hair for healthiness and sheen, and then vitamin E oil strengthens, lengthens, and reinforces healthy hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna put a mixture of all of those in my scalp and massage it in for about maybe 2 minutes or so. Okay, next I'm going to take my creamy oil moisturizing hair lotion by Cream of Nature, of course. I'm going to start in the middle just because that's my hair is the thickest, and then work my way to the bottom. Ooh, that peppermint oil has my hair tingling. Okay. I really want this hair growth journey to have a lot of moisture and oils involved to stimulate, you know, a healthier hair growth journey, because I never really, like I said earlier, I don't really have patience with my hair, and that's what I want to learn how to have. And like before, I didn't moisturize, I didn't take care of it for real. Like I just moved to the next style. That was it. But yeah. So next I'm going to take this Hydrating Curling Cream by Cream of Nature. This is the coconut milk for natural hair. And I am proud to say I am 100% natural now. Cut off all that perm. Smells like milk. Okay. This peppermint oil is top tier, okay? Okay, next I'm going to be using this Eco Styler gel with olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil and flaxseed. And for my my sideburns, I watched either Gabriella or Gabrielle Elena, and I just watched her like make waves on the sides for her with her coils, and I like that look. So yeah, we're gonna try that. So first I'm gonna do my edges, and y'all already know what I'm using, that edge booster. I might use my sister's. I like that scent, but I really love the pineapple scent, the yellow one. This one typically works the best for me, so. Now I'm just going to take this brush and kind of like straighten the edges a little bit. Okay, we're gonna take some more Eco Styler gel. That's to make it easier to glide through. And then we're gonna take some mousse. I am using Curl That. This is one of the best brands. I typically get the one with olive oil. This is the one with argan oil. So yeah, I actually like my hair, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, I like it. Just put like a little. Besides me messing up the back, I like it. Okay, I'm gonna take our rat tail comb and we're just gonna okay, we're done. Now all I have to do, I'm just gonna put this in. Okay, now we're just gonna blow dry our hair. Well, my hair. Yeah, my mom doesn't have the big round thing with the spirals. I forgot what it's called, but I do. So this is gonna be a one-time thing where I just blow dry like this. But yeah. All right, y'all, so this is the final product. I have my curls and my waves a little bit on the side. It's not completely dry, but since I don't have that piece, it's not drying how I want it to. So yeah, yeah, I like it. I feel like once maybe when I have like maybe 2 more months of new growth, then I'll like it even more because it'll be like thicker, fuller, and a little bit longer. So yeah, but yeah, I like it. Simple, cute. Okay. Alright, you guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and well, please comment any products if you're natural, especially if you've done coils before. Like, I'll take any recommendations since I'm a newbie. But yeah, so subscribe if you already haven't, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.